And it's good karma to light your forge without a match.
We're showing people what it would have been like during the fur trade, what kind of tools the blacksmith would have made. The historic blacksmith was the inventor, the millwright, the machinist, the welder. He could do anything that you could possibly think of doing with steel. He would build hinges for the fort doors. He would put together nails to build things. He would build knives. He would build axe heads, tomahawks. He was one of the key components of that part of history. Like anything, it's an amazing, beautiful art form, and it's a dying art form because in today's society, everything is instant and you can go and buy things pre-made and you can buy boxes of nails. We lose our appreciation for how things were actually originally made and invented. So my passion is keeping alive an art form that goes back till biblical times and trying to keep it alive.